This just looks like a simple packing puzzle. All you have to do is pack the pieces into the tray. But wait, there's an acrylic piece on the top of the box that restricts you from just packing the pieces into the frame, and you also can't have anything sticking outside the top of the puzzle box. This is the Raya box number 6, and it is a level 8 difficulty out of a scale of 5 to 10. To start off the solve, take this piece here, placing it in the box and shifting it to the right hand side of the box. Next, take this L shape here, placing it upside down and putting it on the bottom of the box. Take another L shape here, placing it in the center on the bottom of the box. All you have to do is a couple shifts in order to move the pieces around inside the box. You can shift these pieces to this side here and insert the next piece. Take this piece here, putting it in there, and then do a couple shifting movements to get things back into place. Drop it onto the bottom and shift it over to the side, and you can see now there is a spot for you to enter the last 2 pieces into the box. If you want a Raya box puzzle for yourself, go check them out at puzzlemaster.ca.